In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a Calendly API token step by step so you can connect Calendly to other tools, automate your workflows, and start building more efficiently. If you've been looking for a simple way to find your personal access token inside Calendly, this guide will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. First, sign in to your Calendly account using the email address and password connected to your profile. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This is where Calendly keeps your account and developer-related settings. From the menu, select Integrations and Apps. In some accounts, this section may appear as developer tools, so if you don't see the exact option right away, check for that alternate label. After that, open the API and Webhooks area. This is the main section where Calendly gives you access to tokens and integration settings. Now, look for the Personal Access Token section. This is where you can create and manage your API token. Click Create New Token to begin. Calendly will now ask you to enter a name for the token, so give it something clear and easy to remember, like My API token or Calendly automation token. Using a descriptive name helps you stay organized if you ever create more than one token later. Next, you'll need to choose the scopes for the token. Scopes control what the token is allowed to access, so this is an important step. For example, you may see options related to scheduling, contacts, or user management. Select only the permissions you actually need for your integration or app. Choosing the right scopes helps keep your account more secure and your token more focused on the task you want to complete. Once you've selected the appropriate scopes, click Create Token. Calendly may then ask you to verify your email with a code. If that happens, check your inbox, find the verification code, and enter it when prompted. After you verify it, Calendly will generate your API token. Now this part is very important. Copy the token and save it somewhere secure right away. In many cases, the token may not be shown again after you close the page, so do not skip this step. Store it in a password manager or another safe location so you can access it later when connecting Calendly to your app, automation tool, or integration platform. And that's it. You've successfully generated your Calendly API token. You can now use it to connect Calendly with other services and start automating your scheduling workflow. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software guide you want to see next.